Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing good, and so in this video I want to share my document verification experience. Okay, so my document verification, like I told you earlier also, that I could not attend my document verification first time because my family members were positive. So the bank gave us another chance, and I had my DV on 14th of June in Lucknow at the staff training center. Okay, so yes, I had the DV there, and so so I went to Lucknow on 12th because I had to get my medical tests done. So I went there 2 days earlier. Okay, and yes, another thing that happened with me is that a notice came from the bank where on the website, and it was written that we can get our certificate made from the CMO of our district. And so I got all the tests done in my district only, in Muradabad only. And then after 2-3 days the mail came that we have to get the test done from the mentioned centers. So I had to get my test done again. Okay, so ठीक है, one thing was that, so we went on 12th, and there were for medical they take your that blood test, blood sample, urine sample, ECG, X-ray, chest X-ray. Okay, so these were the tests, and from that like you just have to go to the mention center and show your call letter, and then they do the test themselves. Okay, so I just showed them my call letter, and they did okay, all the test. One thing was that for medical. Okay, and another thing, then we had to take the reports to the bank on the date of DV. Okay, so now the day of DV, we'll talk about that. On 14th our reporting time was 10 a.m. Okay, and first of all, at the entry gate they checked our ID card and mail the call letter. Okay, so they checked that, then they allowed us to enter inside, and they asked us to arrange documents. Like they gave us a sheet and asked us to fill the details like name, roll number and everything. And then they gave us two files, one was green and one was brown. Okay, and like we had to keep some documents in the green file and some in the brown file. That was the thing. And now what happened, first of all, the biometrics thing happened. So we went like I went inside, and they took iris scan. They did iris scan and took my left thumb impression, the signature, and photograph. Okay, so they did all this, and after the verification they asked us to go to the DV room, and yes, then we went there, and the sir, like I was the first one whose DV took place on that day, and the sir who was doing the document verification, he was very very helpful, and he helped me in arranging my documents and everything. And yes, so that was the thing. And then we were like they asked us to for girls, we girls had to go to some other place to get our certificate. So we took our reports and went to the doctor and showed the doctor our reports, and then she filled the form like that we are fit to join. Okay, this thing happened, and then yes, we came back. Yes, SDR also, we had to deposit 20,000 rupees SDR, that for 90 days. Okay, So that we did, and then we went for the medical report. Then we came back, submitted the report, the certificate, and yes, the DV was over. So what all documents were asked, I will tell you that. So first was all the mark sheets, like 10th certificate and mark sheets. Okay, so 10th, 12th, graduation, if you have done post graduation, then that too. Okay, all these certificates and mark sheets. Then the biodata form that was available on the bank's website only. So all the forms were available on the bank's website, and we had to take the print of that and fill the form. So we had HRMS biodata, we have dependent details. Then if you have filled like if you wrote in the form that you have any computer qualification, then that certificate you need. Then result, IBPS form that you fill that, and a final result card, medical reports. Then if you are working, then PRAN, copy of PRAN, and if you were working, then NOC from your previous employer. Then 3 character certificates were required. One was from college, or like from the last institution you passed out, so that is generally college. Then from a bank manager or someone, and one from people's represented, like I got it done from a Parshad. Okay, so these 3 character certificates were required. Then if you are from the SC, ST, OBC, EWS category, then that certificate you require. Okay, and referee reports of 2 people. See, it's written referee reports from 2 referees along with the ID proof of referee on the format. So any neighbor or someone can be a referee. Okay, and their ID proofs. Then NOC I talked about. Okay, and one thing was the bond. Okay, so for different banks have different bond criterias. Okay, so in our bank, for officer category, for general category, the bond was for 2 lakhs rupees, and it for see, I'll read the point. You have to furnish a bond. You have to furnish a bond of 2 lakh rupees for general, OBC, and ex-servicemen, I think. I don't know. Or 1 lakh for SC, ST, PWD with 2 sureties, out of which one should be a father or mother, on rupees 100 non-judicial stamp paper certified by notary of Lucknow, because my bank's headquarters in Lucknow. Okay, and second surety should preferably be a family member, that is uncle, brother, etc. And this is okay. And see, please note that this bond will bind you not to leave, resign, discontinue bank service and complete it successfully for a minimum period of 2 years. In case you leave the service before 2 years, you will have to pay rupees 2 lakh or 1 lakh as per the bond. So that means that if I leave this bank, before completing 2 years, then I will have to pay 2 lakh because of this bond. Okay, yes. Then yes, that was all about it. And yeah, the staff, everyone there was very cooperative and very helping in nature. Like if people were having any queries, they were solving, and they were very nice. Okay, like they were talking very nicely. Okay, and yes, so we that was all about it. Overall, it was a very good experience, but just that we had to go for the medical somewhere else. That is why it took a little longer to complete our DV. But yes, that I was a little scared I was a little scared before the DV. Like I was just praying that I don't miss any documents and everything. I was very scared, but yes, everything went well, and I'm happy now. Like I was happy on that day, but yeah, let's see when will our joining come and where we will get our posting. Let's see. Thank you.